Hi everyone, I'm Angus here from Tektron, and today I'm going to give you another tutorial on the Ultra 5000. In the previous video, we did a tutorial on how to change the front tyre, but in this video, we'll be showing you how to change the back tyre. If you have any questions during this tutorial, please comment below and we'll try our best to respond to all of them. So to change the back tyre, you're going to need a couple of things. The first one are 3 tyre levers, a pump, a spanner, pliers, an Allen key set, and some gloves. Step 1, fold the Ultra 5000 and put it onto a flat surface. Step 2, using a thin material, carefully remove the reflective stickers to get access to the bolt. Step 3, remove the plastic casing using an Allen key to get access to the bolt. Step 4, using a spanner, unscrew the bolt. So for the next step, lift the scooter up and pull the wheel down to remove the wheel from the scooter. For the next step, deflate the tide completely using a small Allen key. Using the tyre levers, remove the tyre. You might need some help with this because it can be quite tricky. Step 8. Install the new tyre. So now that we've got the tyre onto the motor, you need to reverse the steps that we did to get the tyre off. So there is how you replace the back wheel on the Ultra 5000. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.